Welcome to AI Toolbox. Today we're going to be talking about Neuronwriter entities for SEO. Let's jump right into it. Just to give a bit of history, when Google was first launched, search engines functioned in a primitive way, and they purely relied on keywords to index websites. You would enter your and get a list of websites that contained your keyword. It was limited. Searches didn't really connect to your actual intent. For example, if you did a search for Paris, you just get a list of sites that have the word Paris in them. Around 2012, things changed because of the introduction of entities. Google wanted to figure out what's the actual intent of the user. What do they really want to discover? Now, search is very different because of the introduction of entities. If you do a search of the word Paris, you get completely different type of results. You get demographic information about Paris, things to know, which include the time there, weather, images, maps, news, video. All of these different components of information are called entities. What this does is expands the whole concept of search. It can now identify what the intent of the person searching is and what they actually want to discover. Another example, Albert Einstein, each of these components are entities. Photo, videos, demographic information, important dates. The same thing with places. We'll search Eiffel Tower, you get robust information about Eiffel Tower. And again, each of these pieces of information are an entity. Entities improve the visibility of your content and search results. They allow search engines to better understand your content so that it can serve it to the right audience. They enhance the relevance and quality of the information, and they help to build site authority to make it easier for search engines to recognize and rank your site. That brings us to Neuronwriter entities. Neuronwriter is an SEO optimization tool and gives you a host of different recommendations on how to improve the SEO of your content. One of the key features that it offers is the ability to include entities into your writing. Let's look at how entities work in Neuronwriter. I have my Neuronwriter account set up and I have my project. A project is where you connect Neuronwriter to a specific website. Then you run queries. I'm going to open up this article about the environmental impact of solar panels. Click on entities. You can use each of these terms to create more content, which is going to increase your relevance around this topic. These are each connected to Wikipedia pages. You can create informational blog posts around each of these entity topics. I like the way that they've set it up in here. It's easy to access, and it's a great way to get ideas for other related topics to write about. Let's add some entities to our content. I'm going to start with photovoltaics. Include a section where we place our entities. Let's put it here towards the bottom. We're going to make this an H2 header. We're going to have Neuron explain what this entity is. So we're going to go into AI writing paragraph, understanding photovoltaics, because I don't know what this means. We'll have it write for us. And then make it 100 characters. Okay. Now let's go back over to terms and look at more entities. Renewable energy. We'll include a section about this. Same thing, understanding renewable energy. The idea here is simple, include different entities. That's going to make your article even more relevant for this topic. I have links to Neuronwriter in this video description. I have an affiliate relationship with them. Thanks for watching this video. I will be back soon with more videos.